This video shows box truck number 1692. This is a 16-foot truck. It is one of our taller trucks. It's diesel, it seats 3, and has a large tuck under liftgate. The payload is 6,000 pounds.
1692. Bump on the passenger side. Little bump up top right there. Tiny one. Bumper. Top corner.
Thank you for watching this checkout video for box truck 1692. It's a 16-foot box truck with a large tuck under liftgate. The liftgate capacity is 3,300 pounds and is 84 by 52. This truck is compatible if you are using a forklift to load or unload. The cargo box opening for this specific truck is 7'10", so it's one of the tallest trucks in our fleet. Thanks for watching.